Hello, my name is Santosh Bharadwaj. Today I am showing you the new launch of Simarju. This is new AI series LC2080. It is having very advanced features. It provides high efficiency and reliable data. It is having the new machine learning where we are delivering the real-time data processing along with the seamless data integration for the user friendly informations. This having the several new AI features where the intelligence built in from the startup to shutdown. So complete automation starting from the start of the system to until the analysis being completed. It is having the inclusion of the auto diagnostic feature. This is the machine learning part. In auto diagnostic system automatically checks if there is some blockage inside the flow the path, so it automatically clears that and it helps the user to have complete automation. Apart from this, it is also having if certain during the analysis system having the issue like pressure fluctuation, it automatically stops or pause the analysis as per the command given in the software, and then later on it can take up the further purging as per the requirement, and again the system check the stability of the back pressure of the system, and further it can take up the next action as per the requirement, as per the actions given in the software, whether need to pause the sequence or whether need to continue the sequence after having a further blank injection 1 or 2 as per the application requirement or as per the compliance. Whole these information being feeded in the software logs, so there is full compliance while using the system. It is also having the certain advanced features, so new needle seal port and new design mechanism of the needle movement, so it is also taking care of the carryover part, so it having the least carryover with the available systems in the market, having the high throughput of the analysis. So totally it is having 216 samples in this. It is also designed with the new advanced PD detector having the 1024 diodes, which can take a high resolution, that is having 0.8, and in further this system having the lot of automations like MPM feature, mobile phase monitoring, that previously since the system having the capability to go up to the very high back pressure 70 MPa, that is like 10,000 plus psi back pressure, so we can use sub 2 micron columns where we are having the very high pressure being generated. So in that case we having the feature that is flow pilot, so when we starting the analysis system can take care of the column, so increasing the flow is gradually, then holding for certain time to reach the column oven temperature, so it can completely protect the life of the column. So overall the system that take care of the analysis, automation, user friendly, and delivers the high precision and high performance.